Low-profile keys. With slimmer keycaps and shorter switches, enjoy natural hand positioning that allows for long hours of use with little strain. Silent membrane switches. Perfect for those who prefer a quieter, more comfortable experience when gaming or typing. UV-coated keycaps. More durable than regular keycaps, the UV coating ensures more fade-resistant legends and greater protection against wear and tear from frequent use. Durable, spill-resistant design. Sturdy build is tanky enough for those intense gaming sessions and can shrug off the effects of minor spills. Ergonomic Wrist Rest. Aligns to the keyboard and provides the perfect place to rest your wrists for support that's vital during long periods of use. Powered by Razer Chroma RGB. With 16.8 million colors and a suite of effects to choose from, personalize the keyboard and get access to dynamic lighting effects for over 150 Chroma integrated games. Top reviews from the United States. Next upgrade. Pros. Price is under $100, which I'd say this type of board used to be a $150 type board in the older days. My favorite feature is the media keys in the top right. Standard color operations, which honestly I never mess with. Razer. Not insanely loud like some of them we have. I have a lot of different keyboards. Magnetic wrist pad is a great idea, feature. Durability has been pretty good on Razer boards so far, haven't had any break with 1,000s of hours of usage.